Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a discount code or promo code in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the online store that you want to add a discount code or a promo code on, click on this edit website button. We are now inside the website editor, and first switch to the store management area. And now go to discounts. As you see, I don't have a discount code yet. Click on add discount. Here you can select the discount type from percentage or fixed amount. For example, I will offer let's go with discount code Black Friday 50 Black Friday 10, and here for the discount type I will give $10 off. So first you need to select the discount type, then type your discount code keyword, for example Black Friday 10. The discount name, your customers won't see this discount name. This is just for example, let's use Black Friday campaign. For the discounts, since it is a fixed amount and also Black Friday 10, I will offer $10. As you see, discount will be applicable to all products and services. Here below discount conditions, you can limit the total number of uses for this discount. Let's limit it to the first 10 customers, for first 100 customers, and you can also set a minimum purchase amount for entire cart. This condition will apply to the entire cart, not just specific products. For example, I will set a minimum purchase amount or a minimum order value of you need to buy $50 in order to get this $10 discount, fixed discount. And you can also set a starting and an end time, set and date. So for this let's start it on this 27th of November exactly at midnight, and ends on December 1st of December at midnight. Click on save. Now let's test this discount code, or since this discount code is scheduled, I can't use it right now, so I will edit the starting, or I will avoid starting, or I will go start now today. Click on save. As you see, now the status of this discount code is active. Let's view my online store. This is it. Go to shop, then add this $120 watch. Click on add to bag. I already have another product. Click on checkout. Now that the order total is more than $50, let's give the Black Friday 10 discount code a try. Click on apply, and as you see, this is the discount code, $10 off. And as you see, 120 minus $10 is 150. Now let's test this for an order value that does not meet our condition of $50. As you see, only $40 here. Click on checkout. Now the subtotal is only $40. If I try to add the same Black Friday 10 discount code, click on apply. As you see, this discount code can't be used because the order value must be at least $50. And this is how to create a discount code or promo code in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.